Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ms.K and I am here today with another protective style. Today I'm going to be installing crochet braids, and I picked up some hair from my local beauty supply. So today I'm going to be doing the deep twist in 22-inch, and I picked up a TP4/30, which is this one. And then I'm going to mix that with just some regular 1B. I wanted to come on quickly and show you the braid pattern that I'm using. So I have 15 braids going across the top, and then the back is just going straight back in regular cornrows. So I wasn't going to bore you with that, with showing you how I did that, because there's a ton of videos out on that. I'm going to go in and moisturize my scalp with the wild growth oil, because of course we always need to make sure that our natural hair is moisturized. Okay, so this is the end results, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you give this a thumbs up. Make sure that you rate it. Leave me a comment below if you try this hairstyle, as well as share this video. If you have not already subscribed, please make sure that you hit that subscribe bell and hit the notification as well, so that you don't miss my next upload. Until the next time, bye guys.